Pool is one of my favorite sports, and it's a great way to pass the time, especially in the winters or in the evenings. But if you're serious about your pool game, you don't just show up to the pool hall and play with any old cue off the rack. You want your own. I have two, and that's why I have this pool bag from Pet Cruise. It's stylish and has tons of storage and protects my valuable pool cues. So inside, it's got enough room for two pool cues. You can see I've got both of mine in here. It's got nice padded sleeves and interior to protect your pool cues from one another. And what I really like about it is it's got these flaps that Velcro down so that they don't scratch each other when you're moving around or walking with it. It's also got tons of storage on the outside. It's got one smaller pocket up here that you could fit your ID in, maybe some money. It's got a coin pouch here that you could use, and maybe you could put your chalks in there. That's what I do with it normally, is put chalks in there. It's got this larger pocket down here that's got some zippered see-through pockets. It's also got an area out here for a smaller pool cue if you have a shorter pool cue that you like to take with you. It's got heavy-duty zippers that feel like real quality when you zip them up, and it's water resistant on the outside in case a drink gets spilled on it or you're walking in the rain. I like the fact that it's got a couple ways to carry it. It's got this nice padded shoulder strap, which is adjustable so that it'll fit you no matter how big or small you are. You could even wear it over your head, more like a backpack. It's also got these Velcro handles on the side, so you can carry it more like a briefcase. I also like the compact size of this bag because it fits right behind my pickup seat, and it's there for me whenever I need it. I wanted to give you a quick close-up of the bag so that you could see how stylish and high quality it is. This smaller pocket on the outside that I was telling you about. And it's got the zippered pouch inside as well as a little slide-in pocket there that you can see through so you can stick your keys in there or whatever and know exactly where they're at. Here's the bigger pocket on the outside that I was telling you about. It's got the two see-through pockets on the inside of the flap. And then it's also got room for a smaller pool cue there. Here's the Velcro handle. You can see it's nice and wide, so it's comfortable to carry. And I like the fact that it Velcros right there in the middle so that they stick together and don't fall apart where you have to search for them when you go to grab it. Here's the nice velour interior that protects your main pool cues, and the flaps that keep them from scratching each other. And when you get where you're going, it's even got a hook here so you can hang it on a coat rack. So overall, I think this is a high quality pool bag and makes a great gift for yourself or anybody in your life that likes to play pool.